Welcome to Bright Future Hub channel. Types of SQL. DML, Data Manipulation Language. Select. Insert. Update. Delete. 2. DDL, Data Definition Language. Create. Alter. Drop. Truncate. 3. DCL, Transaction Control Language. Commit. Rollback. 4. DCL, Data Control Language. Grant. Revoke. General syntax. Create. 1. Create DB. Create database underscore name. 2. Create table. Create table underscore name. Column underscore name 1 data underscore type. Column underscore name 2 data underscore type. Column underscore name 3 data underscore type. Select. Select from table underscore name. Insert into. Insert into table underscore name. Values, value 1, value 2, value 3. Update. Update table underscore name. Set column 1 equals value, column 2 equals value 2. Where sum underscore column equals sum underscore value. Delete. Delete from table underscore name. Delete from table underscore name. Where sum underscore column equals sum underscore value. Drop. Drop table underscore name. Truncate. Truncate table underscore name.